Once you are economically incapacitated, there will be no troubles. Nobody will be there to trouble you. But once they see to it that conceptually you are progressing in life, where you have initiated an ideas to advance yourself economically, financially, in terms of educational wise, everything, when you have the mindset of upgrading yourself, just as to isolate yourself from them, this is where the attack will come from. This is where people will start leveling all sorts of accusations against you. This is where people will start hating you for no reason. So in a natural sense, it means that most people detest what we call progress in the life of humans. So once you want to progress, once you want a step ahead of your family, a step ahead of your friends, it is not all friends that will support your dreams. Some will try at all costs to traduce your intent in life. But in spite of all these things, be very careful. It is very important to upgrade yourself. So once you initiate such path, it's a good thing that you have done. Don't look back. Stay focused. Align yourself and see where you belong. I always tell myself that in a society of ours, it is not every group that you actually belong to. Go to where you belong, and based on the dreams, your aspirations that you perceive to perspire in life, find people who are of the same level, who has the same wings to fly to wherever destination that you want to get to in life. Be smart. Act smart. Be very smart. God bless you. Abra, what you want? Na mpuntu obi ama wabra bom. Na obia emma se obeboa wo. Na wotimo na niyoma nyina asai no. Unhunu so obi kan ho asambone. Unhunu so obi sori tia oda. Unhunu so obi kika niyoma bi fa ho. Nemum abra mpuntu obeba wabra bom. Na onyame beka obi akoma anase ekwan bi bebia ma wo. Ho na abehunu se onamfofo wo nuanoma na wo abusuamfo bo. Obo be sori etia wo. Abra behunu se tibia wo timu nye. Enu nti wo bo ho moden na wo de asesa wasetena mu no. Aho no nipa be sori etia wo. Nti fa hye otirim se eye wo mantamu a wo te no. Enya ba bia na wo se wo tena. Enya nipa bia na wo se wo fa na damfo. Ena enya obia so na kasa tia wo a wo se ma na ya wo ya. Hunu de wo wani so ne hunu ba bia okro. Ne fa hye otirim se aha na me pesa me ko. Enu nti biara ni ho a nipa beka ibebu mabam. Nyasua hunu bi wa brabom efa nyansa akoma nante e ba ne saa nhyira bi bebam bia ababa wa wasi so bi wo ha obene nam saa bra bema bi beba be so mu se o ware wa na wo boa wo ho na behu nam fofo bia wunuanom omo wo ho ne yakeka nsem bi wa wo ya abrante obi ka so oboa wo abrabom a ne onipa bi ne nam sumase ne wo keka ho nsem basa basa ni nyina no e kire se nye nipa bia ene pe nkoso nye nipa bia na pe mpuntu wo nipa ni bi wo ha se de wondin ene wa adwene tie ne se nkan tete nkan sei ndi abra wo be wa adwene se wo bobran e ho ene be sase atu susa ene ntimu abamu no tokoso woni nye den ye den a wo be hunu se na bia wo kɔ no be kwa kodru so dwen kan nka wo bebre